Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to see a new question from top interview 150 of Leetcode. The question is based on sliding window only and it is a hard level question as mentioned here. Question's name is Substring with Concatenation of All Words. So now let's move on to the problem description. So let's see the problem description now. In this question we will be given a string, okay, and we will be given an array of strings. Now what we have to do is, like, the string array that we have been given, okay, it is called words, and the string that is the normal string that we have been given is s, okay. Now we need to find the permutation of this word, okay. Like let's take an example. We have foo. This is my array and it is containing foo and bar, okay. Now what I need to search in the string is, let's say my string contains foo bar, the bar foo, okay. So here what I am supposed to do is, I need to look for these words, okay, and both of these words should occur together. Like I am having foo bar here, so I am seeing that a foo bar exists here, and even if those words are inverted, that means I have a bar foo also here, okay. I have a bar foo also here. So now what will happen, we can like, this will also be taken into consideration and this will also be taken into consideration. Now what is happening here is, like, the order of the words need not be same, okay, but the words should exist together, okay. Now let's say I have the word array given as foo bar and the is also there, okay. So now what are the different ways in which I can take this, right? Let me clear this out. So now foo bar the is one option, right? Then we can take another option as bar. This is not possible, right? If here foo was there, then it was possible, so we cannot take this now. The other option that is available for us is this, right? The bar foo. Now these words are not in the same way, okay, are not in the same order, but a permutation of these three words are existing in the string. So what we have to do is, the starting of this substring, okay, we need to return that. So here one is foo bar the, for that from 0 index we are getting, so we will return 0 index, and the other one that we have is 6th index, right? So the other will be returned from 6. Now let's take one more example from here only, so that it will be more clear for us. Now we have here foo and bar, right, and this is our string. So now we need to see that foo bar exists or not. It like, it can be bar foo also or foo bar also as existing in the string, okay. So now I will start from here and I will search, right? So for the first one I saw that bar foo is existing, so I will add 0 index in my string, like in my answer. Now after that I will again start moving, so I will see one more string is there, and this is starting from the 9th index, so we will return 9 for it. Now in order to get the answer, like result, there will be some scenarios, like right now we have foo and bar here, right? So one more important thing about this is, we can return the answer in any order, okay. Also the other thing that we have here is, now you have foo bar here, right? Now you need to check the length of this string, okay. So now if we have 6 characters here, right, total we have 6 characters. If let's say I had a word called foo ba, okay, now this cannot have the word as substring, right? So for the length, okay, for the string with a length greater than or equals to the combined words, okay, in then only it is like it will be more like it there only we will get a eligible answer, okay. Like here, if I am trying to search in the string of length 5, we will not get an answer, right? So we need to keep that in mind, that if we are getting a value or if we are getting a string which has a length lesser than the words, then we don't have to find that, okay. We can simply return like we can simply return, we don't have to return any answer as it will not exist anyway, okay. So now we have been told that we will be given a string and example has been given in the same way, okay. Now they have explained that how the how we have to find the different permutations if it is occurring. So basically what I have explained here, that only we are supposed to do. Now how do we solve this question, right? We know some basic things, that the total length of words should be there, right? Now if let's say I have this word only, okay, so bar foo the now let's say I start iterating in this string, okay. So I need to iterate with this length only, right? Both of them will be same, okay. So now the length of this is 3. So what I will do is I will take 3 characters at a time and I will check if this word is coming into picture or not, right? So what I can simply do is, let's say I start iterating from here, right? So I will take the 3 characters and let's say I have another array, okay. In that what I will do, I will add this simply. Now I will add bar, after that I will add this, right? So let me add this foo also here. Now after this I have the, right? So and the other thing that we have is, like the other thing like the character, the part of the string or the substring that we are seeing here is the, now how we will know that where to stop, right? Now here we calculated the length of the total length of the element, right? Means foo plus bar, that will give us the length as 6, right? So why don't we simply start iterating for 6 characters? What I mean by that is, now I will start from here and I will go till here only, right? After that I can start from here and I will go till here. After that I will start from the, we can go till foo, then foo and bar. In this way we will take 6 characters at a time, but like after 3 characters, right? So what I will do here is, right now I have bar and foo as the first array, right? So the array that I have been given here is foo bar. Now I can do one thing, I can sort both of them, right? So if I sort both of them, what do I get here? I will get bar and foo, and here also I will get bar and foo, right? So now in the sorted array that I am getting, both are equal, right? So in this case, if I am getting an array which is equal, right? Here both the arrays are equal, so I can simply take the 0th index as my answer, right? If after sorting the arrays will be equal, then we can assure that both of the characters are occurring and will be in a given permutation, right? So what we can do here is, we can add 0 in our result. Now after that what I can do, so let's just clear this out. Now we will start from foo and the. Now what will happen, I will get an array of foo and the, right? If I will sort this now, this is already the sorted answer, right? Now the sorted answer and the means the original words, these are not equal, so we will not add this in our answer. Now we will start from here. So what we will get again, we will get the and foo, and again it will not, after sorting we will not get the answer, right? It will again be foo and this will not be the answer. After this, what we will do? We will start from here, right? So now what will happen? We will get foo bar, right? So let's take foo and bar. Now after sorting, what we will get? We will get bar and foo. So the sorted value or the sorted array is equals to the array that I have been given here, right? So I will simply return like add this in my result, right? So it will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, right? So we will add 9 here. After that again we will check for bar and man, right? So first of all, there is no need to go till the n, less than n, right? We will be going till less than n minus the length of first word here, right? So we will go till there only. Now I will get bar and man. It will not be the answer. Therefore we will return this as the final result. So basically what we are doing here, we are getting the total length of the word, right? Which means if I have the length of first word, then I am multiplying it with the length of the array, right? So let me do that now. After this, we are starting the iteration of a loop which is starting from 0 and it will go till less than length of the string that we have, okay, length of s minus length of word of 0, right? Now we know till where we need to iterate, right? So now for each and every like for each elements we will take we will start from the like if we are starting from here from 0, then after that we will start from I plus length of this word, right? So for stepping up, what we will do, like for the updation value, every time we will take length of word only, right? So that by 3 we will increment every time. So length of word of 0, I plus is equals to, okay, for easy understanding I have made this. Now we will get the total, this is our total length, right? Now till where do we have to iterate? We will be iterating only till the like till the length, right, this total. So for that what we will do, we will start, let's say j, okay, so j will start from I and it will go till less than total, right? Now before this I need to have an array which will which will be storing the words after we have found that, right? So in order to do that, let's take a substring array. Now this will be getting updated in every iteration, therefore I am like declaring it inside the I loop. Now inside this what I will do, I will add the values sub dot append. I will start from s of j and we will go till j plus length of the word, right? So let's not get confused here, okay? So let me clear it out. So this is our string, okay? So let's say I have only foo bar the and my words array is foo bar. Now what I am doing here is I am starting my outer loop with the iteration of 0, okay? From 0 I am starting and till here like till like I am starting the iteration in my string and I will be going till here only, right? Means till this part. I don't have to iterate here, right? Means anyways if I am the length of this is 6, right? So even if I go till here, okay, I need to go till here only. So we will start the iteration from 0th index and we will take this iteration and this iteration. We don't need to start from here, right? So for that reason what we will do, we will subtract the iteration from the first word. Okay, all the words are equal only here. So now, and since we have to increment the value according to the length of the substring, therefore I am doing that. Now after that what I am doing, I am trying to get each and every substring that is possible. For that what I am doing now, that I am starting from I and I am going till total. Now this total, let's say I am starting from the 0th index, then this will go till 6, right? After that I will start from 2, then it should go till 8, right? Now the problem that I am facing here is I am going till like less than total only. For that what I will do now, I will give here plus I. Okay, so now this is, after this what I am doing is I am appending the values. How am I appending? Let's say I have a substring here, so substring array. Now for the first time I will be starting from 0, right? So from 0 I will take the length of the first word, right? So 0 and the length of the first word is 3. So from 0 till less than 3, right? Why am I taking less than 3? Because this splitting will be taking the value from 0 till n minus 1, right? So I will get foo here. Now my substring array will contain foo. In the same way I will get bar here in the next iteration, right? After this what I will check, out of this loop, if sorted substring array is equals to the sorted words array, okay, if it is so, okay, in then what I will do, let's say I have a result here, so in result I will append I will declare result here. Now out of this loop I will simply return result. Now like this question was looking was given as a hard question, fine, and it was looking quite complicated too, but the way we are solving this question, right, the pseudocode is looking so simple. We are simply doing as it was like explained in the approach, right? We started from here and we took the number of elements and every time we iterated according to that, and then we got the value in that way only. So now we have the basic idea of the pseudocode, right? So now let's move on to the code editor and we will solve that code there. So let's see the code now. What we will do for calculating the total, let's take the total value, and how we were taking, we were multiplying the 0th index character length with the total number of words, right? So now we have the total and we will be storing result in an array. After this we will have an I, right? In this we will start the iteration and we will be going till length of words minus total, right? So now now we know till where we need to iterate, right? After this we will have a substring array and we will in the approach we saw, we were taking the j loop, and in that we were getting the I every time and we were taking the substring out of that. So in order to avoid the clumsiness, we can do one thing, we can take the substring here only, okay? So from S I will take the substring, okay, it will be starting from I and we will be going till I plus total, right? So now in this substring what we will do, we will be starting from the 0th index, right? From the 0th index and we will be going till zeroth index it is not like necessary to mention. So we will be going till the length of the element. And in the approach I said that we will be like incrementing the length of the word, right, according to the means we will be updating I according to the length of the word. But in that in the I we have to check for each and every word, because why I missed that point there. So let's say I have bar foo here. Now after this b, let's say I had foo here and then b, I had a bar here. Okay, so this b was extra, but the eligible candidate foo and bar was after that. And if I increment totally using three characters, then I will be missing an eligible answer, right? So in order to avoid that, we will be iterating from each character, and inside the substring we will be iterating, updating our j according to the length of the word. Okay, so now we will be using the length of the word here at the 0th index. Now let me mention 0 here. Why am I mentioning 0 here now? Because once I have mentioned this step, and if I am mentioning only two values, okay, it will take it as start value and end value. Okay, so in order to clarify, I am mentioning the start point, end point, and the step up value. Okay, so now after this, in what I have to do, I will be taking the substring in the array, right? So substring, in this we will append the element from j to j plus length of the word, right, word at 0th index. Now I have the length of the word. After this, simply what we were doing, we were checking, right, if sorted substring array is equals sorted words array. In that condition, I was getting the index, right? So in result, I will append the I. Out of this loop, I will simply return my answer. Sorry, res. Now let's try to run this. Okay, it will go till less than, so I need to increment the value here. The other thing that I need to check here is okay, sorry, it will not be the length of the words, it will be length of the string, right? We will be iterating in the string. So the error I am getting is because instead of j I have mentioned there I. Okay, so now let's try to run this again. So the sample test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it. So this code has been accepted. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any doubts, I know this question might be a little clumsy, or if you have any doubts even through my explanation, please let me know in the comments. I will try to clarify it more. And in order to continue with me in this coding journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.